Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be assembling this cat tower that I got on the TikTok shop. It's probably available in other places too. So I'm going to walk you through each step and we're going to get started. So here's the directions, and I'm just going to do an online version of this. If you don't like to read directions, this video is for you. So the first thing I unboxed were these two little pillow looking things, and they go on top of two of the towers. I'm going to set these aside. There's also a baggie with a bunch of hardware. So it looks like there's 8 of these, 2 of those, there's 3 of these, and 5 of these. Okay, and then there's all the platform pieces. So you're going to have 2 of these, one has a ball attached to it, 1 platform. So the little smaller tubes obviously are the supports that go in here. 1 platform like that, another one of those, just all in pink. I'm guessing that is probably the base. So the first step is to, oh geez, just show me a picture. Okay, I figured it out. This is the piece you're gonna wanna have, and we're going to put the supports in. So grab 4 of these, and we're gonna need 8 of these. And I'm realizing I thought these were just a bunch of like bolts, and there are ones that look like that too that don't have like a head on one side. They do give you an Allen key. Take these, I'm just gonna set those in here to kind of balance it. I'm gonna kind of pull the fabric up around that because I would rather not have that show so predominantly. Fourth one. Flip that over and do the other ones. I'm working on the other side of these, and I couldn't find the one I had attached from the front from the other side, and it's because the sticker was over top of where it threads through. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside. And then step 2 is to do the same thing, but with the other cat house. There's 4 of these left, so there's gonna be 8 of these bolts. I'm gonna place them in there so it's even. This is so cute. It's like a terry cloth. So when I finish that, come back on and tell you the next step. If you're having trouble finding the other thread of the tube on the inside, if you're not like right over top of it, the bolt won't thread in. So if you take this side of the Allen key and kind of stick it around, see how it just went in? Now I know that it's like dead center right there. So in theory, if I put this in, it should, yep, there you go. So far that's been the trickiest part. Okay, all right, so that's that part. Now I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, step 3 says to take part 1, which is the very bottom, and it's labeled part 1. And then we're gonna want part 11 that has the jute on it. And then 2 of these, they look like paint rollers to me, but we're gonna want both of the ones that say number 12. So if you look at this, it has 3 holes. So the one we're gonna say like in the back corner is gonna be the one that's going to have the roller that has like the jute on it. So I'm gonna put that one on first just so I don't mess up. So we're gonna wanna end up with something that looks like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the other 2. Step 4 is to find the ramp, both of these supports, and then 2 of these really small bolts. They show them attaching like this. All right, so that's done. All right, next step is to take this ramp and attach it to this in this area. So it's going to be like that. So in order to do that, I'm gonna have to flip it upside down, and we're going to use these 2 really short bolts. On the bottom of this, there's already like hardware, so we can attach into those holes. So logically, this has to go like this. I need 2 bolts, and I need 2 of these. We're gonna need part 9, 14, and 15. Looks like these right into here. This one, and it looks like number 12 over here. I originally thought halfway down, but that platform is going to take up some room too, and we want to leave some thread. So that looks about right. There's that over there. We've got 2 of these. One of these bolts is going to go as a hole. It's going to go down through there and into this tube right here. Okay, so the other bolt is gonna come up here. The 9 goes on. Okay, so this goes on this side with this one, and then the plain one goes over here. And there's a seam. I don't want that to really, I'm gonna get that to go towards the back. Now, see how easy that was? Okay, so grab one headless bolt. I don't know, this I'm sure has a name. And it's gonna go on this side. And then I'm gonna put this on the ground. This just attaches. So part 15 is gonna thread on here. I'm gonna do this without making my carpet go all crazy. 3 bolts, and one's gonna come up through here. Okay, one bolt is gonna attach back here. It's gonna go down through. The other one drops in right here. Okay, so this is now attached here, and we're going to add part 9 up through here. Okay, next up, take this bolt, attach it on here. Part 5, part of that's going to slip through there. Okay, and one of these bolts is going to go here through the seat, and go on down in here tonight. If you want to anchor this, there is a strap that you can put this into the drywall and attach it. I'm just going to tuck it under. Part 13 is going to go right here. Okay, so then we're going to have part 10. The threads go up and it attaches with one of the bolts, and there's a hole. Seven is going to go over here, and then the one that looks like part 6 with the ball is going to go up here. Oh my goodness. All right. Kind of have to pull this into place. Oh wow, is that cute? All right, so I'm gonna put this against the wall and wait for them to come discover it, and I'll close out this video with a few shots of them enjoying it. I will link it in the description, and make sure that if you aren't following, I hope you'll subscribe. I can be found on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.